Alright, I'm in Frederick, Maryland, just northwest of DC, and blizzard conditions are happening. Blowing and drifting now. Kind of hard to keep the winds. But it's coming down. Give you a good look over there. Blizzard. Got about 6 inches in the last 4 hours. This is actually downtown Frederick. Beautiful. Could be 2 feet here tomorrow. Might be here for a day or so. Stuck. I got gas and I'm good to go. Plenty of gas. Good shot there. Wind's starting to kick up. It's crazy. Waffle House is open. Hey. Two. Back up a little bit. These drifts. Pretty deep snow. I can go over here and get some video. Horizontal snow.